Some runners place a lot of emphasis on weight, and studies have shown that wearing heavier shoes requires more aerobic energy. A soft ride is now feasible without significantly increasing the weight of the shoe thanks to new midsole foams. Lighter shoes often have less cushioning, which can make them feel faster. More padding may be a better choice if you're traveling a long distance because it absorbs impact. In today's video, we are going to show our top 5 best running shoes in 2023. We've done intense research for the best products available today, and we've created a list for you to compare price, quality, durability, and performance. If you need more information or you are interested in any of the products, we've put the links below in the description, where you can find the best updated offers and the best prices available. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our reviews. Now, let's get started. 5. Reebok FloatRide Energy. The inspirational athletic lifestyle brand Reebok has long existed at the nexus of fashion and sport. Their history in fitness lends them authority in the sports industry, and their roots in the classics offer them a presence in the lifestyle sector. Reebok creates items that encourage people to move, and they support universal human rights. Reebok is a company that promotes exercise, sport, and movement. To help you be your best self, Reebok is here. The guiding principle of Reebok is that life is not a spectator sport. Everyone deserves the freedom to move without restriction, regardless of who they are, where they are from, how they move, or how they appear. 4. Asics Gel-Cumulus 23. The Gel-Cumulus 23 shoe's main goal is to deliver an even softer and smoother ride while utilizing technology that is specific to the genders of both men's and women's versions. By using a more holistic design strategy that adjusts to the runner's anatomy in action, we reinvented the upper and midsole creation of this neutral running shoe while continuing to be inspired by Cumulus clouds. The design mesh top gives the foot an even softer fit and delivers strategic support where it is needed while leaving some of the fibers more open to increase breathability. Additionally, the closer coordination between the upper and midsole movement results in a more fluid stride from foot strike through toe off. Through a number of carefully placed pillars within the midsole, this technology enables runners to feel increased compression in a particular spot without compromising durability or stability. To address the biomechanical information specific to each gender, these pillar formations are calibrated differently in the men's and women's models. This shoe encourages a smoother ride and enhances shock absorption by guiding runners to compress the foam in the proper manner during the landing portion of their stride. If you're liking this video and finding this content valuable, please let us know by smashing the like button. If you want to know more interesting gadgets for you, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, let's go to the top 3 of best running shoes in 2023. 3. Hoka Clifton 8. Hoka's debut in India may have been quiet. The debut lacked the excitement that the brand would have normally deserved given how quickly it became successful everywhere in the world. Unquestionably, the most popular brand of cushioned running shoes was once a manufacturer of trail running footwear. Hoka's motto has been bulky yet lighter since its inception, and the Hoka Clifton 8 Daily Trainer is no exception. Why alter what's working well, right? The Clifton 8 is another outstanding illustration of the adage, "It is not what you see." Although Clifton is currently in its 8th version, Clifton 8 is our first evaluation from the series. Therefore, we will naturally confine our study to the most recent version without making any comparisons to earlier iterations. The sneaker is only offered on Tata Click in India and is presently selling for INR 11,999, while discounts are offered on even the Carbon X2, Hoka's top carbon-plated shoe. None are offered on the Clifton 8. 2. Nike Air Zoom Pegasus. Running is a daily habit for you, and each step you take brings you closer to your own particular objective. Allow the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 39's cozy, practical style to assist you in rising. This one pay homage to the beginnings of Nike International and Nike Athletic Department with colors and designs from the past. While underneath air gives your step a pop as you go from heel to toe, a supporting sensation makes your foot feel confined. Your dependable workhorse with wings has returned. Time to take off. We created and positioned engineered mesh stronger and more flexible than conventional mesh across the upper for lightweight and durable breathability using runner-informed data. Additional padding at the collar and tongue keeps your foot feeling cozy. 1. Mizuno Wave Rider 25. A significant turning point for the rider occurs at age 25. I've worn the rider since its 13th iteration, and I can say without a doubt that this is the softest, most cushioned rider I've ever worn. This boot is due to the company fulfilling the promise it made to us in the Rider 24, a full-length layer of delightfully soft energy foam in the midsole. The midsole of earlier riders had a variety of foams, both above and below the wave plate, ranging from the harder euphoric to the X-Pop based on TPU beads. Despite being cozy underfoot, the shoe's ride seemed a little jumbled due to the mix of different foams. The ride is smoother and more reliable with energy foam alone, especially when combined with the 25's brand new wave plate made of castor bean. The Rider 24's plate was constructed at a lower amplitude, assisting in the return of less energy with each foot strike while more precisely mimicking the shape of the arch. It's a smooth, bouncy ride that's ideal for lengthy runs when you'll be standing for extended periods of time. The product links are below in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.